How to redeem a Fortnite gift card on Switch. Now, even if you actually play Fortnite on Switch or any other console, to redeem it, you have to actually come to your browser. So you can open your browser on your computer or tablet or anywhere else, and then you want to come to the official website, which is fortnite.com/redeem. I repeat, fortnite.com/redeem. Then you'll come to the official page where you want to redeem your Fortnite gift card. Now, over here, you'll find the sign in button. So if you haven't already signed in, from the top right hand side, click the sign in button to sign into your Epic Games account or the Fortnite account. Here you can simply enter your reward code, the access code if you haven't, click on redeem button. However, if you instead have a V-Bucks code, select the second option that said go here to redeem for the V-Bucks option. Now, once you're here, you can see it says an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. So just click on Get Started. And here it says, since you're logged into your Epic account, please enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card. Then choose the device you play Fortnite on. So I repeat, this step is very important. First, you simply enter the gift card code over here and then just click on the next option if it is a V-Bucks card, right? Then after that, depending upon where you play, you have to choose that device carefully. So if you play on Switch, you have to select Nintendo on the next option and then click the next button. And then once done, you should be able to go ahead and then basically redeem your Fortnite gift card on Switch. But again, as I showed you the steps, you have to redeem from your PC. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.